This is the Glock 78 field knife in black, and we're gonna do a quick look at this. And I got one quick question: what is better than a Glock 78 field knife? Two Glock 78 field knives. Okay, there you go. This is it out of the package. And well, these actually arrived just wrapped in bubble wrap when I ordered them both from Hamilton Rifle Company. And I texted the owner, and he said that it's in the description, and that's how they arrive. So someone let me know, when you purchased your Glock 78 knife, was it in the standard bubble wrap type package, or, you know, the cardboard with the bubble box, or was it just wrapped? Like, do they sell them out of the box is what I'm trying to say. Or is it just there? I didn't complain though, because they don't seem like they're refurbished. Both of them came very sharp. They don't have the saw on the back because the 78s don't have the saw, and I like that. It says made in Austria, Glock 78. Now these are pretty much the exact same knives as the 81s, just minus the saw. And the spine is not 90 degrees. It has that black paint coating on it, so you would have to take that to a grinder if you wanted to use that to strike a fire steel ferrocerium rod. But in every other way, it's the same as the other ones, because the other ones you can use the saw to strike a fire steel. It actually works. But it's got the exact same sheath, same belt loop system, same drain hole, leg tie, clip that holds it in. It's for right or left-handed. And the sheath and the handles are Glock Polymer. And you know how strong Glock pistols are. Well, that's how strong the handles of these bayonets are, because they are a bayonet for the Steyr AUG, Austrian assault rifle. And you take that butt cap out. It's got a metal tube inside the handle, and that's what it connects to the rifle with, and then this little top piece connects also. And you got it hooked as a bayonet. Or you can just wear it on your side and carry it as a field knife, or throw it in your bug out bag or whatever. But this also works to open beer bottle caps, which is by accident, I believe, but it's a neat little thing. Makes the knife more interesting. It says Glock on the handle there. And it also should have the Glock stamp. Yep, there it is on the sheath. Really great knives. I love these knives. I think I favor the 78 over the 81 a little bit. I don't know why, I just like it. And we'll do some quick measurements, and we'll do a paper cutting test. At a 6-inch blade, 11.5 inches or so overall. And the handle's it's 5 inches overall, but where you grip it, it's about 4 inches. Okay, let's do a paper cutting test. This is the first one. I can't say out of the box because it arrived out of the box, but this is how I received it. Very sharp. Cannot complain about that. I'm going to set this one aside and show you the other one, because I got two of them. Black Friday sale, wouldn't you know? You see that there? There's the other one. Yep, both of them are pretty sharp. Both of them are paper cutting sharp. I can't complain. Very sharp tips on them. Well, I think these go for a little bit more money nowadays compared to the 81s. You can get the 81s for around 30 bucks, and these you're looking at a little over 50 a piece, but there was a Black Friday sale, so I got a really great deal on the two of them. And there's a couple on eBay, but they're in Poland and Germany, and the shipping is like the same price as the blade, so you'll end up spending a lot and waiting a long time for them to arrive. Whereas I ordered them from Hamilton Rifle Company in the USA, and I got them really quickly in less than, I think it was less than 5 days. It was pretty quick. Okay, this is all of my Glock knives together. You can tell, like, I kind of obsessed on them a little bit and went to town. I got the 81 in Battlefield Green. I've got the 81 in Dark Earth Brown. I've got the 81 in black that I put some number 15 plumbers O-rings on the handle for extra grip, and I kind of like that. And then I got the two black 78s up here at the top. These have saws and these two don't. But really nice collection. I like them so much I wouldn't mind getting some more. And you feel they're affordable, which is good, and you feel a lot better about taking them out and using them and abusing them when you know you have an extra one, you know. But pretty cool knives. I really like them. Well, that's all I have for this video. This is Joe Doomsday signing out.
Gott weiß, ich will kein Engel sein.